Before you start working on board, you must first conduct a toolbox meeting. A toolbox meeting, also known as toolbox talk, is a short and routine consultation designed to create awareness of safety measures and hazards at the workplace. A toolbox meeting is a briefing of safety measures to supervisors, workers, and safety team held every morning before commencing their respective duties. What is pre-task briefing? Pre-task briefings are used to make a specific task safe. In this we can identify the hazards which could be there and control measures to control these hazards, and also about the personal protective equipment which are required to commence the job safely and securely.
Wala nang lilubang din.
Video rin ako.
After your job is done, the officer in charge conducts a debriefing, a meeting that takes place to get information about a particular piece of work that has been finished, for example about what was done successfully and what was not. Thank you for watching. See you to the next one. Bye.